Now I'm gonna do the front. As you can see, this is here a headlift stand. What it does, it actually uses these pin type mechanism to insert into the bottom of your head tube, so that you can lift onto the bike without using the fork stand, so that you basically have access to the forks if you want to drop the forks or take off the tires easily. This is the best way to have access to that or to do work on that with a headlift stand. Having said that, it's a little more complicated. This is going to be my first time trying it. I've watched a few YouTube videos. It's fairly straightforward. Being the first time, it's kind of sketchy and I'm a little worried, and I don't have anyone helping me. So this is how I would do it, or anyone that's gonna have to do this all by themselves. One thing about my particular bike, this is an 05 SV1000. The head tube, probably see that it's actually blocked off by this splash guard plate here. Not exactly sure what that's all about, but I'm just guessing it's just a splash guard to protect what, I don't know. Maybe it's just to draw more air towards the radiator. I thought I would have to remove this nut to remove the splash guard off, which would be a pain in the butt if I have to do that all the time, but it looks like this actually just pulls down here, pops off, and then I can just rotate this to have free access to that hole right there. That's where that pin is going into. Now these things do come with different size pins for different bikes. Make sure you've got the proper pin for your bike. This is, however, specific to the SV1000 from Venom. I'm not sure if you can use this particular headlift stand on any other bikes, but it seems very universal. And it did come with different sizes pins, so can't see why not. Let's try this out here. So carefully, actually this, I don't know if you guys can see this. How do I do this? Okay, just be very careful not to scratch your plastics. Is it getting caught? Alright, I guess I have to lift the lift. Can't just roll it in. And can you guys actually see that? Alright, I've inserted that pin into the bottom of the head tube there. Now it's fully inserted, and this is what the stand looks like. And now we just have to start lifting. Alright, wish me luck. Hope everything is completely stable, which looks like it is. So this is it. Here we go. Just make sure everything's centered, not damaging any of my plastics. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. It does take a lot more effort than the rear. Absolutely a lot more. Actually putting most of my weight on this. And carefully. Oh boy. Feels really sketchy, but it's on. And let's check the pin. Looks like it's good. And it is absolutely solid. This is not moving. There she is. As you can see, it is freely moving. but I suggest not to do that because it is sitting on the bottom of the head tube. So we'll leave it at that. That's all, folks.